Hey everybody, David and David here from PayetteForward.com and UpPhone.com, and in this video we're going to show you how to set up Sidecar with your iPad and your Mac.
Right. Sidecar essentially turns your iPad into an external monitor for your Mac, which is an awesome thing because especially if you're traveling, I've seen people bring these portable monitors. It gets cumbersome. Maybe you already have an iPad and a Mac. Did you know you have a second display? It's awesome.
Yep.
Super easy to use, super simple. So the first thing we need to do is make sure that we have the right Mac, make sure that we have the right iPad, and make sure that they're all set up correctly. To check which Mac you have, go to the Apple menu in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. David will demo that and tap About This Mac, and it'll tell you that David has a MacBook Pro 16-inch?
15-inch, 2017.
There wasn't a 16-inch in 2017. That was a trick question. So that's what you have to do. Additionally, you have to be signed into iCloud with the same Apple ID on both devices, which you probably already are, and have two-factor authentication turned on. We will drop a link to this support article in the description section below so that if you need additional help setting this up, you can get it. But once it's set up to work, it's super easy to use, and it's pretty powerful too. Let's first just make sure that it's set up correctly on your Mac, and we can do that by going to System Preferences. So David just tapped Command and Space to open Spotlight Search.
Type in System Preferences. You don't have to just wait. You just enter.
Or you can go to the Apple menu in the upper left-hand corner of the screen and tap System Preferences. But this works just as well, and if you're a pro, this is how you do it. David's a pro.
Yes.
Next, tap on Sidecar. And here we have a couple of different options. The first is the sidebar itself. This puts commonly used controls on the side of your iPad screen. And you can use Sidecar preferences on your Mac to turn this on or off. What we're talking about here, and I'll put a list of these controls on the screen as well. Just Command, Option, Touch, Shift, Undo. You can tap to show or hide the menu bar or the dock from your computer, which is those icons at the bottom of the screen, the on-screen keyboard, or disconnect your iPad using that sidebar. There's also the touch bar, which is kind of just like the touch bar on your Mac keyboard. And the last option is enable double tap on Apple Pencil if you want to use that to double tap on things.
I don't have an Apple Pencil, so we're just going to skip that one for now.
Right, but if you're an artist and you want to draw, like using Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator on your Mac, you can't do it on the Mac screen, but you can using Sidecar.
There you go.
Pretty cool.
Use case right there.
Right, so connect to select device, David Lynch's iPad. That's one way to do it, okay? If you see it there, it works, you're good to go. Couple of other ways to do it.
Okay, so I'm just going to close out of this. And you go up to this little TV-looking icon. That's your AirPlay icon. You can click on that and just tap on your iPad name in this list.
Right, and the cool way to do it, if you want to just put one window over there, and, do you want to do this? Just demo it real quick?
Sure.
All right, so are you already connected?
There we go.
There we go.
The screen went black, then it turned back on, and now,
Perfect.
as you can see on my iPad, there is my desktop.
Pretty cool.
Yep, and just to show it that, the dock, make the dock appear. There it is.
Right, and it disappears from the Mac, which is cool. It gives you more screen space.
Yep.
So very cool. Now, if you want to arrange these, it's just like having a second display. So head to System Preferences again.
Yep, just going to do a Command Space, start typing in System Preferences. It's already there for me. I'll hit Return.
Tap Displays. And now we'll see a display menu appear on both devices, but really just pay attention to the main menu, which is going to be on your Mac, and it says Arrangement.
Click on that.
Yep. So right now you can see that the Sidecar window is on the right of David's Mac. If he wanted to, let's say the Sidecar, the iPad was on the left, let's show him how to do it. Just click and drag.
Click and drag. There it goes. And just try to line them up on the top together.
Keeps it simple.
Yep. I'm going to put it back over on the right because that's how we're set up right now.
Perfect. And what you could do is just, drag windows back and forth. Or let's say you wanted to just put Safari on the iPad. Just hover over the green full screen button in the upper left-hand corner of the window. Move to David Lynch's iPad. Boom. And
there it is.
Pretty cool.
Now it's over here.
It is over here. Yes, it is. So
now what you can do is you can bring your mouse over and do whatever you want.
Yep.
Go to ESPN.
Yep, this would be great for David. While he's working at home, he could have ESPN on and accomplish less.
Yeah, get ESPN Plus. Get ESPN Plus in the second monitor, and
there you go.
Put the whatever.
But if you're really going to do that, just get the ESPN Plus app for your iPad.
Yeah,
it doesn't really make sense to open a web. But I think it'll be super useful. Let's say you're a spreadsheet person. It's always easier to have 2 windows open.
Yeah.
Than 1. 2 is better than 1.
Absolutely.
So I love this feature. So unfortunately, it's kind of restricted in terms of the devices that can use it. It has to be the iPad Pro, as we said. But other than that, I think that's about it for this video.
Yeah, it's very cool.
Pick yourself up an iPad Pro if you don't have one already. Good deals on Amazon.
Yeah, we'll link to those in the description section below. Thanks for watching this video. That's how to set up Sidecar using your iPad and your Mac. Thanks for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Leave a comment down below with any other questions. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more great videos about Apple products.